Welcome back, students of 5th class. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher, to learn and revise chapter number 4, exercise 4. And the chapter name is Operations Involving Large Numbers. So, friends, in this video session, we will discuss the same as discussed the previous. That means this is only for revision session, friends. So let's get started. And one thing is important, friends, so please keep watching video till the end very attentively, friends. Okay, now let's begin. Here the topic, operations involving large number. Okay, now friends, so in this chapter we will discuss about how to add or subtract two or more numbers and how to simplify involving addition and subtraction. So get ready, friends. Now, and we will discuss and start and we're taking the questions from exercise 4. Simple. And this question, add, only the first is add. Here we have taken question number first, because the question number first has D sub questions as A, B, C and D, friends. And now we have taken question sub question D. Okay, so D is 4, 4, 8, 8, this is 9, 9, 7 plus 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 5, then plus 2 times 5, 2 times 4, okay, 2 times 3 and 2. So friends, look at, actually you have already aware about how to add. Very simple way. First of all, write all the given numbers as a column wise. Okay, now see friends, solution. Now I'm going to write, friends, first write this number ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So this is 44 lakhs 88,997. Here the topic, operation involving. Operations means, what about the operations, friend? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the 4 operations. But in this chapter we will discuss about the 2 operations like addition and subtraction. Okay, so see, first write all the numbers as the column is 4, 4, 8, 8, 9, 9 and 7. Then, and remember friends, now I'm going to write the second numbers. All the numbers are alongs to each other, and remember the same position of the digit should be the along. Okay, that means here is the ones place, here the ones place digit are alongs. So this is, here is the same 5, write on the 5. And remember friends, one thing, write from right hand side. Okay, here is the 1, this is 1, 2, 2, here 2, 2 and 3 and 3. Now next 2, 2 is here, friends, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 2 times 5. Okay, now add their values, friends. Add, these are the very simple, friends. Now add 7 plus 5, 12 plus 14, 14. So 4 is here, friends, 1 is balance. Okay, now see, this is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 11, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 3, once again 14, friends, 14, 4 is here, friends, once again 1 is balanced. Now add 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, once again 14, 4 is here, 1 is balanced. Okay, 8 to 10, 10 plus 14 or 1 is here, 15, 15, 5, 1 is balanced. Okay, now add 10, 10, 14, 14, 1 is 15, 1 is balanced. Okay, now 4, 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 1 is balanced, friends. 7 plus 5 and this is 1 is 13. So this is the answer, friends. You please friends add very carefully, then match is it correct or not, check. This is answer. I hope you will understand. Now next, now see friends, question number 4 says replace each star by the correct digit in each of the following. Okay, here is the question number 4 has three sub question ABC, and we have taken C, and here is the written star 267 star 8759 once, then 770 3000 star 42 1,26,600 star and 1. Okay, now we have to fill instead of this star. So here is the 1 2 3 4 stars is just above this line, and 2 star is as the consequent values. Okay, and we have to find the value of instead of a star. Okay, now this is the addition questions. Now first, now start from the right hand side. This is the first column from right hand side. Okay, now start. Now I'm going to add 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19 friends. So 19, 9 is here friends. So 9 is here. Okay, so here should be friends 9. Remember one thing friends, here should be 9. So look at the friends, 1 is balanced. So here for the second column from right hand side, here is the result is 0. Okay, now first add this value. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 yes 15. So 15 plus 1 friends, add 16, and look at the friends, here is the 16 and here is 0. What number should be filled here to becomes the 2-digit number whose ones place is 0? Because every numbers after adding, suppose after adding these all these first columns from right hand side, we will we get 19, and we have to write here the ones place digit 9. So 1 is balanced, then this 1 is added to the next column. Okay, so after adding 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15, and this is 1 is here is the balance 16. 15 is after adding 6 plus 6 5 and 4 15, and this is 1 is balance becomes 16. So friend, here is the result is fixed 0. 0 cannot be changed, but what number should be filled here to become the 2-digit number whose ones place is 0? Okay, now if you add 4 friends, if we add 4, then we will get 20, then we can fill here as 0. That means here should be 4 friends, here should be 4. Okay, so this star means 4. I hope you will be clear friends. इसके जगह आप 4 रख सकते हैं. Okay, now this star is equal to 4 friends. Okay, now मैं erase करके 4 कर दिया. Okay, this is your answer. Now our answer digits circle कर दिया. ठीक है, now we have circled our answer digit. Okay, now 20. So here 2 is balanced friend. Remember here 2 is balanced. Now then add the next 2 plus 7 friends 9, 9 plus 6, this is once again 15, 15 plus 2 friends, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay, but here remember friends, here is 6, result cannot be changed friends. This is the result 6. So what number should be added to 17 to get ones place? What list number should be added to 17 to get ones place as 6? So remember friends, ones place as 6. Now remember, then read the next number 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Remember friend, 26. So what number should be added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means if 8 is added, eight or 9, this is 1 2 3. If 9 is added to this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this 9, if 9 is added to this number, we will get, because we are going to bring 26, this is why we can write here is the 6. So if 9 is added to 17 becomes 26 friends, 26. So this is why 6 is here friends, remember. So this now erase, and the exact value is 9. Okay, and here is 6, but remember 2 is balanced, friend. 2 is balanced. Now add the next column. Remember 2 is here, 2 is balanced. Add the next column. This is star 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 friends 17, 17 plus 2 19 friends. 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. No, it is 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. But here is 4 friend, and we have to fill instead of this. What is number? What is the value instead of this? To get the ones place digit as 4. So what number should be added to 19 to get ones place digit as 4? So this is obviously 5 friends, 24. Okay, because 19, 20, 19, this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 is here, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 5, 5 is added. 4, 24. Here is the 4 friends. It's already over here 4. Okay, so then that means 5 is here. Here is 5. It should be here 5. Okay. Now friend, next, remember 2 is balanced. Okay, now next add the next column. 7 plus 2, yes, 9 friends, 9, and this 2 is added to 9, 11 friends. But here is 8. 8 cannot be changed friends. So what numbers should be filled instead of this star to get ones place digit as 8? So obviously friend, this is 7. If 7 is added to 11, we will get 18. So 8 is ones place. This is why 8 is over here. So here the friends answer 7. So 7. Okay. Okay. Now next 1. So here is the 1 is balance. 1 is balanced friend. This is 1 and then plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to, friends, this is 2. So instead of this star, you will get 2. So this is 2. So the answer friends, now our answer is, we can write the answer. This is 4. So this is 5. This is 9. And this is 7. Okay. 5, 7, 9, 4. This 9 and this 2. These are our digits. These are our answer. I hope you will be clear. Okay, you can easily solve question number A and B of question 4. Okay, now see friend, question number 6A, because question 6 has 2 sub questions. We have taken sub question A. 82,40,406 from 97. So the question says subtract friends. We have to subtract. Okay, क्वेश्चन से यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. किससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 82,40,406 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. किससे करना है? फ्रॉम 97 lakhs. वन थिंग इज हियर इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेंड्स. पहले फर्स्ट डिसाइड विच नंबर इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम विच, ये सिलेक्ट करना जरूरी है. यहाँ पर एक चीज़ देखिए, हैव ए लुक. फ्रॉम के बाद जो भी नंबर्स रहेगा सबसे पहले उसको ऊपर लिखेंगे. रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, while you are going to subtract, first to second, first of all write the numbers after from के बाद जो भी नंबर्स रहेगा उसी से सब्ट्रैक्ट, इसको ऊपर लिखना है. सबसे पहले ये क्या है? 97 lakhs. सबसे पहले 97 lakhs को ऊपर लिखना है. 97 lakhs 5 times 0, देन माइनस का साइन लगाकर फिर ये जो ऊपर का नंबर्स जो दिया हुआ फिर बाद में इसे लिखेंगे. ओके, 82 lakhs, यहाँ पे 82 lakhs मैंने लिख दिया. 40,406. देन आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. फ्रॉम के बाद जो रहेगा सबसे पहले उसे लिखेंगे फर्स्ट ऊपर नंबर को फर्स्ट कॉलम में. डेट मीन्स सबसे पहले उसे लिखेंगे. उसके बाद जो फ्रॉम से जो पहले लिखा रहेगा नंबर्स उसको नीचे लिखेंगे. देन सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. आई होप यू विल बी क्लियर. और सब्ट्रैक्शन तो जानते ही हैं. गेट दी, ये जीरो बोरो लगा इससे यहाँ से ये क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज 9. दिस विल गेट 9 9 9 एंड ये 10. सो erase all the zeros. So 10 minus 6, this is 4. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. दिस विल गेट ये 6 बिकॉज 1 इज इसे दे दिए ओके 6 माइनस 2 4 एंड 9 माइनस 8 1 सो दिस इज योर आंसर। आई होप यू विल बी क्लियर। सबसे पहले आप जो फ्रॉम के बाद रहेगा उसे पहले लिखेंगे ऊपर में, फिर उससे पहले वाले नंबर्स को नीचे लिखेंगे ओके। नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सेज रिप्लेस ईच स्टार बाय द correct digit in each of the following. In the previous question, that question number 4, we had seen the addition type of questions, but here is the subtraction. This is the up number and downwards, and we have to subtract this number from the above and find the value instead of the star. What number should be filled instead of this stars? Okay, now see, first we have to subtract. Remember friends, what number should be here? This number is subtracted, this star minus 8. So what number? But the result is 2 friends, remember. So the result is 2. So what number is here friends? So here should be, now we can find out, this is friends simple, this is 10, it should be 10. So but remember friends, so 10 is the suppose 10 minus 8, then we will get 2. Remember friends, suppose here is the 10, then 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 10 is the only number, then subtract 8 from 10, we will get 2. But here is not put the directly 10, only we have to put the only one digit number friend. This is the 2 digit number, that means here should be 0, it should be 0, and this star indicates the 0. Then this 0 will take the borrow from this 7, then we will get, then this 0 became, yes, then this 0 will become 10. So here fill this star should be filled, instead of this star we have to fill this 0 friends. Okay, what number? This is 0, so erase. So here is 0 friends, and look at the next column friends, 7 star, and this 7 is dropped 1 to this number. इसे ये दे दिया because the 7 1 is given to 0, and this number will, yes, this became 6. ये कितना हो गया? 6 friends. Okay, now 6 minus star, so 6 minus star, so what number? Here is the 4 friends. Remember 4 कब आएगा यहाँ पे? What number should be filled here? After subtracting from 6 we will get 4. Obviously here should be 2. Very good. Here should be friends, this is 2, so this star means 2. Okay, clear? Now next, here 6 minus 4, so 6 minus 4 obviously 2. Here कितना होगा friends? 2. Okay, this is, यहाँ पे 2 लिख सकते हैं और erase करके लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now next 5 star, 5 minus star, 5 minus star is equal to कितना friends? 0. So what number filled here? What number filled here to get 0? So it should be friend 5. यहाँ कितना होना चाहिए? 5. 5 minus 5, yes. Now next friend, a star. Here is the star minus 6. Star minus 6 is equal to friends 9. Okay, इसका मतलब यहाँ पे कितना नंबर्स होना चाहिए जो 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे 9 आना चाहिए? वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, -6 इज इक्वल टू दिस, इट शुड बी 15. 15 में से 6 जाएगा तभी तो 9 आएगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 15 होना चाहिए, बट 15 इज द 2 डिजिट नंबर्स एंड वी हैव टू फिल ओनली 1 डिजिट नंबर. सो 15, दैट मीन्स हेयर शुड बी 5 फ्रेंड्स. यहाँ पे 5 लिखेंगे. ओके, एंड दिस 5 टेक द बोरो एज 1 फ्रॉम दिस 6 एंड वी विल गेट द 15. देन 15, ये 15 minus 6, this is 9. Okay, here should be 5. This is filled number friends. Okay, remember this is also filled number. Okay, and this is also filled number. Okay, now and this 6 will become 5 because this 6 given 1 to this 5. So 5 minus star, look at the 5 minus star friends. 5 minus star is equal to 3 दिया हुआ. यहाँ पे कितना नंबर लिखें जो 5 में से घटाने पे 3 आ जाए? 2 फ्रेंड्स, ओनली 2 यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. सो आवर आंसर फ्रेंड्स 2550 दिस आर, और यहाँ पे 2, दिस आर द आंसर. आई होप यू विल बी क्लियर. Now see friends, question number 8 says simplify, because question number 8 has 4 sub questions. This is the simplification involving addition as well as subtraction. Okay friends, and we have taken question A, sub question A and sub question D. Okay, now see friends, here is the 2 plus sign, the numbers carrying both the numbers having positive sign. This is the plus sign is hidden before the number sign. So friends, this is the plus, this number carrying the plus sign, and this is also carrying the plus sign. So first of all, add these two numbers. Then have a look friends, we have already added the all these two numbers. 65 ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 65,000 ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 6 lakhs 56,666 plus 4 lakhs 32,141. So add, after adding we will get 1088 at 3 times 07. Then subtract this number, friends from this. सबसे पहले आप इसे ऊपर लिखेंगे, देन माइनस का साइन, तब इसे क्या नीचे लिखेंगे. देन आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग वी विल गेट, एंड वी गॉट 3,23,375. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 is borrowed from this 8 friends. You will get 10. 10 minus 3, 7 became 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 6, 2 friends, and 10 minus 7, this is 3. So this is your answer friends. Now see the next sub question D. But here is the 2 negative signs are over here, and here is the 2 positive sign. Same, we have to follow the same friends. First we have to add these 2 negative sign. Remember, first of all add these 2 negative sign, these 2 negative numbers. Now add friends, in the column wise write the 5. No, it is right friend, this is 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 7. Then right hand side से लिखेंगे 7 is here, 7, 8, 2 times 0 friends. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 is here, 2 is here, 1 is here. Then first add friends, add their values. Here is the both the numbers carrying negative sign. Then first add their values first. Then add 7 plus 7, 14. 4 is here, 1 is balance. 8 plus 0, 9. So here is 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 7, 3, 7. And 4 plus 3, this is also 7. 8 plus 2, this is 8. And 5 plus 1, this is 6 friends. Remember friends, but one thing is very important friends. Either we can write the plus sign or this is the minus sign. So this answer will be also minus. And we have, if we will go the next class, means 6th class, then over there we will have to learn about how to add two numbers with the same sign. So here is the same sign, means negative, negative. Then we have to add their values, then place the negative sign. That means after adding these two numbers we will get the numbers but with the negative sign. Okay, this is why we have already written here the negative sign. Then friends, then we have to subtract this number from this number from this. मतलब पहले सबसे पहले ऊपर जो प्लस वाले नंबर को सबसे पहले ऊपर लिखेंगे. Now next step is 9, 6, 5, 9, 6, 5, 9, 6. तब आप इसे माइनस वाले नंबर्स को लिखेंगे. 4, here is 9, then 1, 2, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8 and 6. Then आप subtract करेंगे ये वाली these numbers. After adding these two negative numbers, we will get the numbers which is in negative sign. Remember friends, which is in negative sign. Okay, so this is why this number is subtracted from this positive number. Okay, so this is why we have written over here the first this positive number, then the negative number. Okay, now subtract 6 minus 4 friends. 6 minus 4, this is 2. 9 minus 9, 0. Very good friends. 5 minus 1, this is 4. 6 minus 2, 4 once again. 9 minus 7, this is 2. 5 minus 7, no sir, no friends. Now take the borrow from the next. This will get 15 and this is 5. So 15 minus 7, this is 8. And now once again this is 15, this will get 8. 15 minus 8 friends, this is 7. And 8, this 8. 8 minus 2. So this is your answer. So please match answer, friends. I hope you will be clear now friends. So all of you please get ready to move the next exercise 5, and this exercise consisting of what problems, what types of problems. First we have to understand the statement or the words, then we will decide what to do and what not to do. Okay friends, now let's get started, friends. Now see, as you can see on the board, friends, question number 1, and the question number 1 says, friends, the sum of two numbers is this. If one of them is this, then find the other numbers. Also find which of two numbers is greater. Which of two means, friends, because which of the two means वही दो numbers, means first ये numbers, मतलब what is the relation between these numbers and the numbers that we have to find. जो नंबर मुझे फाइंड करना वो नंबर्स और जो ये नंबर जो गिवन है, इन दोनों में रिलेशन क्या है, मीन्स कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है, जो फाइंड करेंगे वो नंबर बड़ा है या फिर जो ये नंबर्स बड़ा है. ओके, नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, in order to understand this question, friends, first take the example. Okay, suppose instead of this huge number, इस बड़े नंबर की जगह अगर मैं ले लूँ, सपोज मैं इस बड़े नंबर की जगह मैं ले लूँ सपोज 10. फ्रेंड्स, सपोज मैंने 10 ले लिया. ओके, अभी कंसीडर किया. सो प्लीज यू ऑल कंसीडर इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस नंबर एज 10 एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस नंबर, फ्रेंड्स, सपोज मैंने 6 ले लिया. ओके, इस नंबर की जगह मैंने 6 ले लिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द क्वेश्चन. द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 10. इफ वन ऑफ देम इज 6, फाइंड द अदर नंबर. अब आप लोग आराम से आंसर बता सकते हैं. यू कैन इजी फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन. दो नंबर का सम, फ्रेंड्स, 10 है. दो नंबर का सम, हैव ए लुक. ओके, एक नंबर और प्लस ये दूसरा नंबर का सम कितनी है, सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 10. उनमें से एक नंबर गिवन है तो दूसरा क्या होगा, 10 लाने के लिए आप लोग बोलेंगे 4, बिकॉज 10 लाना है. ओके, बट नो फ्रेंड्स, द कंसेप्ट इज मीन्स 10 माइनस 6 कर रहे हैं. 10 माइनस 6, देन वी विल गेट 10 माइनस 6, देन वी विल गेट, फ्रेंड्स, 4. ओके, same question. That means this question, the concept of this question is nothing but this is we have to subtract this number from this. sum of two numbers से subtract करना है, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पर subtract किया. ओके, तो now start subtracting. Write in column with this is 6 7 8 9 0 5 8 1. ओके, then आप ये numbers from right hand side से लिखेंगे 9 8 7 6 1 2 4 and 3. Then subtract. I hope you will be clear. Now subtract from this is 11 minus 9, this is 11 minus 9, this is 2, friends. This became 17 because take the borrow, 17, and this will get 4, friends. So this gets 7. After taking borrow from this will get became 4. Okay, 17 minus, this will get 17 minus 8, friends, this is 9. Okay, and 14 minus this is 7, this is 9 minus 6, this is 3, friends. 8 minus 1, this is 7, friends. Okay, 7 minus 2, this is 5, no, this is 8 minus 2, this is only 6. So 7 minus 4, this is 3, and 6 minus 3, this is also 3, friends. Okay, now this is the number, okay, that we have to find. And now see, friends, which number is greater. Now we are going to compare this one number that is given and this one number that we have to found. Okay, अब इन दोनों नंबर्स में कंपेरिजन करेंगे. विच ऑफ देम इज ग्रेटर. नाउ दिस इज 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakhs 10 lakhs करोड़, मीन्स 3 crores 36 lakhs 73,792. Now if you, this is 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakhs 10 lakhs 3 crores 42, sir, friends. Here the 42 lakhs and this is the 36 lakhs. So which number is greater? 42 is greater, so we can write the given number 3 4 2 1 6 7 8 9 is greater than that. We have to find this number 3 3 6 7 3 9 7 9 2. ये आपका आंसर हो गया. Okay, now come to the next question. Now see friends, question number second. The difference of two, here the difference of two numbers is 1,74,325. If the greater number be this, okay, find the smaller number. What you get the concept, friends? The difference between two. Suppose we take the example, instead of this huge number, like this is suppose 5, okay, and now the greater number is suppose merely 6, okay, and the greater number is suppose 20. Okay friends, now read, the difference of two numbers is 6 if the greater number be 20, then find the smaller number. Okay friends, the difference between the difference of two numbers, this is the first number, then difference the another number, okay, and we will get this 6. So greater number means ये है, that means column wise में आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, then आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, okay, column wise में अगर लिखना चाहें तो इस column में ये फर्स्ट और ये दिस ऐसे, और ये क्या आंसर आएगा 6. ओके, आई होप यू विल बी ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे देखिए यह 20, ठीक है, तो व्हाट नंबर शुड बी फिल्ड है, यहाँ पे कितना मैं भरूँ कि 6 आ जाए. ऑब्वियसली आप लोग बोलेंगे 14 भरेंगे, ओके, 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. But friends, we have to subtract this 20 minus. The concept is clear. 20 minus 6 करना होगा. That means इस number, this number is going to be subtracted. This number is going to be subtracted. This 6 can be subtracted. This 6 is subtracted from this 20. Okay, that means this huge number, friends, this number is subtracted from 20. This is the bigger number. Then write the first column as 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. देन आप इसे नीचे लिखेंगे 5 2 3 4 7 1 और इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, सब्ट्रैक्ट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. देन व्हाट अबाउट द नंबर्स हियर, देन इफ द ग्रेटर नंबर is इतना, देन फाइंड द स्मॉलर. ये नंबर फाइंड करना है. वी हैव टू, आई होप यू कैन इजी सोल्व. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, see the question number 6 is very interesting question, a very minded question. Okay, now question number 6 says what number must be taken away. So one thing is, remember friend, taken away means subtraction, taken away means minus, subtraction. Okay, what number must be taken away from the sum of this and this, okay, to make it equal to the difference of the given numbers. So here is the next term is difference. अब इसको हिंदी अगर ट्रांसलेट करें तो आप कहेंगे कि इन दोनों का सम करने के बाद, इनमें से सम करने के बाद इनमें से कितना नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए. व्हाट नंबर मस्ट बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, कितने नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए कि जो बराबर हो जाता है किसके, इन दोनों के डिफरेंस के बराबर हो जाता है, मतलब इन दोनों के घटाव के बराबर हो जाता है, वो नंबर फाइंड करना है. तो इन सच टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट हेयर लुक एट द सम ऑफ दिस टू नंबर. सम मीन्स जोड़. सबसे पहले इन दोनों का जोड़ फाइंड करें, ऐड करें. देन वी हैव ऑलरेडी एडेड ओवर हेयर, राइट द फर्स्ट नंबर एंड देन सेकंड नंबर, देन ऐड एंड वी विल गेट दिस नंबर. ओके, देन फ्रेंड्स द डिफरेंस कह रहा है, देन फाइंड द इसके डिफरेंस फाइंड करें. ओके, डिफरेंस ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स मीन्स हमारे पास गिवन नंबर ये दो है, दिस नंबर एंड दिस नंबर. देन डिफरेंस हेयर, फाइंड द डिफरेंस, write the biggest number is top, then the smaller number is downward, then subtract and we will get this number. Okay, now this is the second step, first and second. Now the last step is friends, is equals to their difference, means we have to subtract this number from this, friends. Afterwards we have to subtract this number. Now the last step, 8 0 2 4 2 4 5. Then write this is 1 1 1 5 5 5, then 5, then subtract friends and we will get the answer. Okay, I hope you will be clear and you know how to subtract the numbers. This is the answer friends. So I hope you can easy find out here. Okay, first friends add these two values, then subtract, second step. Then whatever the numbers in addition, whatever the consequent in addition, whatever the subtraction in, whatever the consequent in subtraction, then find the difference friends in between them, and this difference will give us the answer this question. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Now friends, if you have any doubt more, then you can ask friends. Question exercise 5, your today's homework friends. Today's homework is exercise 4 and 5 to solve all the questions for the coming examination and for the future. Okay friends, have a nice day.